There was a washerman named Robert. His wife had died. He had a son named John. Robert had only one dream in his life, and that was to make his son an officer. He was ready to do everything for his son's education. But John was not interested in studies. Robert had to try hard to wake him up daily in the morning. John always reached school late. He never completed his homework. So he got a hard rebuke from his teachers daily. Besides, John often made new excuses to avoid school. Robert knew well that his son was making excuses. So he often forced him to go to school. Soon John became habitual to all these. Now he was no more afraid of even thrashing or scolding. One day he himself decided to leave school, and said to his father,
"From tomorrow onwards, I will not go to school, and would like to work with you."
His father was stunned to listen to his son. But he said to him calmly,
"All right, my son, if you do not want to go to school, do not go from tomorrow. I will take you to work with me."
John was very happy, as he would not be going to school. However, he was also surprised, as his father, who always scolded him for not going to school, had agreed to him so easily. John felt his father's behavior a bit strange. Next day, John went to work with his father. His father put a bundle of clothes on the back of a donkey and went to the river. John thought,
"This work is easier than studies. Put clothes in water, squeeze them, and then get them dried. Thereafter fold them, put them on the back of donkey, and come back to home."
When he started working with his father and washed some clothes, his body started paining. It was a hard work and needed a lot of physical labor. He had to work for the whole day, washing, squeezing, drying, and folding the clothes. And then putting them on donkey involved a lot of physical labor. When he returned back home, he was very tired and felt that he had lost all his strength. He could not sleep well that night. He was thinking,
"My father has been doing this work for years. This work is much tougher than studies."
Thinking all this, he fell asleep. Next day, when his father asked him to get up and come with him for the work, John quickly jumped from his bed and said,
"I will not go with you. I will go to school. Because my studies are much easier than your work.
Hearing it, his father became very happy. John further asked his father,
You always used to send me to the school by force. But yesterday you did not say anything. Why?
Robert said,
I used every way like loving, beating, scolding, etc. to send you to school. But you remained obstinate. So, I decided to let you take the decision yourself. Now your experience has made you realize that my work is harder than studies.
Yes. My father.
Saying this, John embraced his father. Moral: experience develops ability to take right decision.